Have you seen something like this before? This young man just made a stove using water, petrol, and gas. The gas is from the petrol and water, and not only that, this young man has made a water heater and an electric fan.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Alhatu. I'm from Adamawa State, Yola. As you can see, I'm on wheelchair, but due to my condition still, I decided to make this innovation with heater, bucket, rechargeable fan, and water cooker. This is my innovation. Since I have a spinal cord injury, I just stay at home without work, without.
They said necessity is the mother of all inventions. This man in his condition was pushed to think and innovate all these rather than having pity on himself or begging for alms. His first innovation was the water heater, then the electric fan and the gas cooker. The electric fan can last up to 4 hours. Now for the gas cooker, it's just petrol and water.
Cooker.
My goodness, this is really impressive.
People are come to think of petrol, but
he's trying to say that cooking gas is more dangerous than petrol. For his gas cooker, he uses the gas from petrol and water to cook. And he has been using the gas cooker for 6 good months.
I can just give like my own family, we are 4. So the meal of 4, twice day meal. It will take 1 liter, can take you good 5 days to 1 week. It depends on what are you cooking.
Okay, this man is someone who his girlfriend left after his spinal cord injury. Even the parents of the girl refused him to marry her. Even some of his friends left him. So he found another girl, got married to her, and he has 2 kids and is living in happy ever after.
Depending on 1 liter of petrol just to survive, cooking 2 times a day for 1 week.
For the heater bucket, he has been using it for almost 7 years now.
It's almost 7 years now.
You've not had any issues?
I don't have any issue with it.
Wow, this is really impressive. Take this with a pipe and aluminium.
As you know, mostly person with spinal cord injury, we need fresh air.
I don't even know why we let talents waste just like that in Africa. Anyway, that's Africa for you. Now let's hear a bit of more of what happened to this guy and why he's like this.
I met an accident on the 25th of December 2016 that left me partially paralyzed from my waist down. Affect my life because first of all, we don't know what is spinal cord injury. So when it happened to me, I lost my job, I lost some of my friends. I have showed them even on my wheelchair I can make it.
Wow, this is really impressive, to be honest. And what you've done, I'm sure this video is going to go a long way to inspire people to think outside the box. It will also inspire those of you in similar conditions.
Mr. Muhammad, how much do you sell all these?
The fan is 13,000. The heater is 6,500.
I think a lot of families will be interested in this when it gets to Harmattan period, when it's really cold.
Yes.
Alright guys, so I don't really know how safe this is for me to recommend, but I'm pretty sure that there are some of you watching this video right now, you are willing to try it, especially students.
Do not let your condition put your back to the ground.
Any youth, you cannot depend on government or go and say that you are waiting government to come and give you work. You can create something that you can even employ people. Not you are the one that our government can employ you. No, you are the one that going to employ other people. So you can go and decide based on your location, based on your environment, what are you going to do to make a business with that thing. So I'm calling for for youth and person with disability not to depend on government, on any other people. Try to see what you can do to make your life better.
Okay sir, by selling these items to people, what are some of the things you've been able to achieve with your life?
Yes, I have achieved a lot of things. Number 1, it gives me chance to go back to my school, pay my school fees so that to finish my education. And with this business,
what did you study?
I study educational management and planning in Modibo Adama University here Yola. After that, then it gives me chance to get married to my beautiful wife.
You are now married?
Yes, I am now married to another lady. After that one has been cancelled. So at least now I have all the responsibility of my family. I used to support them, especially my brothers and sisters. I used to pay their own school fees.
Even in this situation?
Yes, because the things that I'm getting small, I have to. Not only this one. There is something I did for the profit I used to get. I planted trees, almost 1,300 trees, which I went to some schools like Modibo Adamawa, some other secondary school to plant to put that trees inside the environment due to climate change that we are facing now.
Let's support this man and his vision. What he's doing can never go unnoticed. There's a lot of talent in this Nigeria that is very hidden. Thanks to Lucky Udu for making us to be able to make this video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.